For this region, for Sark, so you have the disease monitoring nurseries, and this is being coordinated by Dr. Bardwash at Shimla. So again, this might be out of date, but basically my understanding is you have 20 entries, and it includes commercial cultivars from each of the countries in the region. And then this, it was, I think Dr. Bardwash presented that it's been grown many locations throughout the entire region. So, again, this is a nice example, regional cooperation. You're looking at major cultivars, seeing what's happening across the whole region. Okay, so some of the advantages, the good things with trap nurseries. So I think the key thing is that you've got this like mechanism for early detection of change. So you see specific lines that have been resistant and they suddenly become susceptible. It can be your first indicator that something new has occurred. And as we talked yesterday in the field, I mean, they're very good places to collect samples. Yeah, you've got known lines. You're seeing something different, then it's a good place to get samples. So these are a list from Kumas, some of the advantages. And I think, so we had preliminary information on pathogen change. That's an important one. Information exchange. So here with the Sark nursery, you've got it in all the countries. Yeah, share the information. You can see what the status is on specific genes across the different countries. And this one at the bottom, I think, as well is quite important. Yeah, they're really useful for practical demonstrations in the field. I mean, we use them yesterday, and you can do the same thing in your own country with extension workers, with farmers. I mean, they're really useful tool to have in the field. So there's many advantages, and that's why most of you are using them. So here again from Kumas, an example of information from the international yellow rust trap nurseries. So this is, Kumas got data, 76 locations across 28 countries. So this is really giving a snapshot in terms of which genes are functional, which genes are ineffective in different areas on a big scale. So here, some points listed when the slide was put together. Fixed virulence for certain genes, certain locations. Pulls out YR5 and 15 being effective across all the locations that these were tested at. Which virulences were common, and also like which virulences were increasing. Yeah, so if you've got time series, so he pulls out virulence for YR27 being picked up as increasingly detected in trap nurseries across different countries. So very useful tools.